Like I said in my previous video, I ordered a temper glass for both my Sony Xperia devices. This is Xperia 5 Mark III and this is Xperia 1. Let's unbox the temper glasses. I bought the temper glasses from the same company where I bought the phones from. The packaging is clean and tight as usual. This might be the bill for the tempered glasses. We got the phone box for no reason. There should be two temper glasses in it. There is a sponge foam in it for the protection of the smartphones or anything you order in that. This is for Xperia 1, this is for Xperia 5 Mark III. This is the full edge protection tempered glass. Fine. Xperia 5 Mark III and this is for Xperia 1.